Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael with Michael Stock Updates. Just jumping in here on the 5th of July, 2022. It's about 1 o'clock, so the market's been going for a while. It was closed on the 4th of July. Hope you guys all had a happy 4th of July. So the markets are open. Let's just start with Tesla came out with their delivery numbers. It was down, even though that everybody's kind of said that this is what they was going, that Tesla was going to be down a little bit on their deliveries just because of the the COVID shutdown and all this stuff, supply chain issues. It was a bad quarter for Tesla, and they still came out with relatively good delivery numbers. I think they put out the most they ever have in the month of June. So, but we got earnings coming up, and I think I actually thought Tesla would be down about 3-4% today, but it's actually only down about 0.5%. It's right now currently sitting at 678.30, which is still the deal of the century as far as I'm concerned. And it was kind of down in the morning, dropped to 648, and then it's kind of worked its way back up. I still see maybe a little bit of a drop, as crazy as that sounds, once earnings come out and the people just get all the news and deliveries are down and everything like that. And don't remember, it's not just Tesla, it's the whole market in general. But so like for example, today the SPY, once again, it's down 1.5%. It's sitting at 375.45. I think it opened at, let's see what it opened at. I think it opened at like 374 or something like that, somewhere around there. I don't have exact numbers, but so it's went up, but it's still down 1.5% for the day. Tesla sitting at 679.35. Like I said, it was a drop down to 650. That would have been the time to get in as far as scalp. As far as long term, I don't feel you can go wrong with Tesla at these prices. Looking into the future, no financial advice, but what I say is go with your gut. If you get on the internet and you listen to these analysts and listen to, I mean, everybody's got an opinion, and sometimes people say things to get media attention. So they're going to say that Tesla's going to fail and Tesla's overpriced. Tesla's not living up to deliveries, blah blah blah, just to get the media's attention on them. When they know darn well that Tesla is going places over the, I mean, the next 10 years, Tesla's got nowhere to go but up. It's an incredible company led by an incredible person. Even though he gets a little crazy on Twitter every once in a while, but he's definitely an innovator, entrepreneur. Elon Musk, I feel you're in good shape with him. Another thing is Amazon. It's been up over the past week. It's up about 6%. It's up to $112 today. This is what 4 weeks after the split, and I think that it got down to as low as $103 or something like that. DraftKings sitting up at $12.52. It's actually up 6.5% today. Nvidia climbing out of the hole that it's got itself in. It's up about 1%, up to right under 147, which is still crazy. Nvidia is another good company. Another stock that I was looking at here. Let's see, just a rundown. Apple's up a little bit today. Redbox down 10%. Netflix is up 1.5%. AMC down to $12.70, down 6% today. Crazy. It's same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was up over the weekend, and it's kind of starting to fall back down to its regular prices. Ether's under $1,100 again, and Bitcoin is back under 20. Let's see where they're at. Bitcoin's at 19,583. So couple good plays I was in on today though is Matterport. It's up 5.5% today. I like that company. Another one is CRM. It's up. Let's see where it's at. It's up to CRM. Where are you, CRM? Yeah, it's up percent today, up to $169.81. just a lot of good things. Revlon's up 2% after being down for most of the day. EVFM still hanging in there, up 20%, up to $1.08. And Neo's still up 1%. Neo's been on a ride here for the past 3 weeks. Disney opened, it hit $93 today. It's back up to $95, but I think that's a good price for Disney too. Right now when you look at these prices, everything looks like a good price to me, but they are saying that there's still more down to come, downward action to come. So, but like I said, go with your gut, make your own decisions. If you don't know what to do, just dollar cost average, and before long, they're saying all the way until 2023 this recession is going to last till the end of 2023. But regardless of how long or how little it lasts, the stock market is a tool to make money. It's not really a tool unless you just really know these stocks and you're good. Day trading is hard to do, but it's real easy to just hold on to a stock when it's low, and buy it when it's low, hold on to it, and in a few years do what you want with it. Cash out for a profit, add to it, just whatever. It's just, but the stock market 5 years from now, guys, these prices are going to look ridiculous, and there's going to be so many people that wish they had bought in at these prices when all we just see them doing now is going down, down, down. So it's hard to continue to buy them, but we're getting there, and we still got a little ways to go, but just dollar cost average, guys. This is the time to at least be getting in a position where down the road it's going to look really good. It's but just so many Tesla, Amazon, DraftKings, Nvidia, Apple, $139. It's up a little bit today. Just so many good opportunities, and it's just a waiting game, guys. That's all it is. But so far today, being Tuesday, a lot of times they call it Bloody Tuesday because it's not the greatest day in the market, but it hadn't been bad. We're still, the SPY's down 1.31%, but it's sitting at 376. It was at 374, so it's going in the right direction. But just be patient, guys. Hang in there. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Leave a comment if you want to. I'll definitely get back with you if you have any trades or anything like that. Like the other day I was looking at like AutoZone stock. That's actually, I think it's up 40% on the year when everything else is down. AutoZone stock's up crazy. That's a good stock. So it's might be something to take a look at too. But I think it has a lot of opportunity, and good or bad times, people are going to be fixing their cars. Always going to have that. So So just keep your eyes open just for different things, just keep an open mind, an open ear, and keep an open wallet. Don't put all your money in right now. Kind of wait, like I said, dollar cost average, or when you think the market's hit its bottom, then go all in at that point. But ultimately make your own decision. Don't miss out on something or get into something because somebody told you that this stock is going to go to the moon, and you get in at a high and it does nothing but drop. So it's a frustrating ride if you haven't been on it. But I believe in the market, guys. I know these prices are going to go back up. Right now it's a tough time. It's no fun to be in the market unless you find something that you can day trade and make a little bit of money with. But it will be fun. It will get to the point where this starts going back up in the right direction on a consistent basis, and it'll be all that much more fun for all of us. But like I said, like and subscribe to the channel. Still looking for that 40th subscriber. So just one. That's all I need is just one more, guys. But anyways, that's pretty much it. So it's been a decent trading day today. Let's hope it keeps going. While we're sitting here talking, Tesla's back up to 680, right under 683. So even with that bad news, Tesla still went from 650 to 683 today. So got some price movement. Tesla's always good, a good one for trading. It's got a lot of volatility, gives you a lot of opportunity. But I'm gonna say it one more time. Tesla, $650. That's a winner. That's a winner right there. No financial advice, but in my opinion, that is a winner. Tesla's a good company, I'm telling you. And why the whole other auto industry is just, it's it's going to be hurting, these next few years. EV vehicles are, I think, here to stay. They're just getting started. So just keep an eye on that whole market, the EV market, the batteries, the charge stations, charge point, just a lot of different things. The metaverse, they keep talking about the metaverse. The metaverse is off, still ways off, but these companies are already starting to get in there, like Matterport and Salesforce and Facebook, which is now Meta. They didn't create the metaverse, just to let you know. They just kind of named them that. So, but I was never a big fan of Mark Zuckerberg, anyways. But in Facebook stock, that's another one that is down. I mean, over 50% from its all-time high. And it's going to have a tough time. It'll rebound, I think, but it's going to have a tough time. You got a lot more competition out there. Then you got that thing that Apple's doing where they're, monitoring, data that is being used. And it's just, it's really put a hurting on Facebook. But anyways, so far, so good. Tesla moving on up to 684. It's been a surprise for Tesla because I did figure today would be a drop in price. Maybe a good time to purchase some more shares. But it is climbing, so I'll just let it climb and wait for the drop again to buy some more. But I don't know, just pretty much my everyday routine, just kind of buy, hold. If I feel it gets up to a good point, I'm up in the green so much right now, I'm going to take my profits and I'll wait to buy back into the stock when it drops again, because it's going to. But that's all I got today, guys. I just wanted to jump in here real quick and give you a quick update. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Always thanks for tuning in. Love the support. Definitely appreciate it. And that's it for today, July 5th. So hope it's a good one for you guys. Have a nice rest of the day and happy trading.